Let's talk about one of the biggest debates in EV service right now: module level battery repair versus full pack replacement. Some electric vehicle manufacturers will allow you to open up a high voltage battery pack, diagnose a failed section, and replace an individual module. Others take a different stance. If the battery sets a fault and testing confirms an internal failure, their answer is simple: replace the entire pack. No internal repairs, no surgery, just swap it. So what's the difference and why does it matter to us in the Bay? Take Tesla, for example. Their battery packs are built-in modules. In certain service scenarios, those modules can be individually replaced. The pack comes out of the vehicle, the enclosure is opened, the affected module is tested and removed, and a replacement module is installed. Then the system is resealed, rebalanced, and recalibrated through the battery management system. General Motors has taken a similar approach with its Ultium platform. The Ultium architecture, used in vehicles like the Cadillac Lyriq and Silverado EV, is designed around large format cells grouped into modules. During the Chevrolet Bolt EV recall, many repairs involved replacing specific modules rather than scrapping entire battery assemblies. That's precision work. It requires proper isolation testing, high voltage safety procedures, and a technician who understands how the battery management system monitors voltage and internal resistance across the pack. On the other side of the fence, you have manufacturers that lean toward full pack replacement. Nissan's Leaf, for example, uses a modular internal design, but dealership level repairs have often meant replacing the entire battery assembly rather than opening it up. Hyundai and Kia's eGMP platform, found in vehicles like the Ioniq 5 and EV6, also uses modular construction. However, in many cases, approved service procedures favor larger assembly replacement instead of deep internal repairs. Why? Liability and consistency. The moment you open a sealed high voltage enclosure, you're responsible for everything inside it. That includes structural integrity, thermal management seals, crash performance, and high voltage isolation. If something isn't resealed correctly and moisture intrusion occurs, that's not just a comeback, it's a safety issue. Now let's talk about advantages. Module level repair can dramatically reduce costs. Replacing one bad module instead of a 1,000-pound battery pack can save thousands of dollars. That can mean the difference between repairing a vehicle and totaling it. It's also better from a sustainability standpoint. You're not discarding a mostly healthy pack because one section degraded early. From a technician's perspective, module level service is advanced diagnostics. You're analyzing voltage imbalances, checking internal resistance, verifying temperature spread across modules, and recalibrating the BMS. It's not part swapping, it's real technical work. But there are downsides. Mixing a brand new module with older modules can create uneven aging. The new module may perform differently under load. Labor time increases, risk increases, and the responsibility level goes way up. Full pack replacement, on the other hand, is predictable. Remove, replace, program, verify. Warranty exposure drops, comeback risk drops as well. From an OEM standpoint, it's controlled and consistent. The downside? Cost. Once a vehicle's out of warranty, a full battery pack replacement can reach 5 figures quickly. That can push otherwise solid vehicles off the road. At the end of the day, this isn't just a technical decision, it's a business decision. Manufacturers are balancing warranty risk, technician skill levels, tooling investment, and long-term reliability. For those of us turning wrenches, yes, even on the 400-volt systems, the takeaway is simple. You need to understand how the specific manufacturer you're working on approaches battery service. You need proper high voltage training, and you need to respect the architecture you're dealing with. Whether you're replacing a single module or an entire pack, that battery doesn't care about your opinion. It cares about precision, procedure, and safety. And in the EV world, that's not optional.